In the heart of the jungle, laughter echoes. Little Arjun runs freely, playing in the dirt before their tiny hut, while his grandmother watches with quiet love in her eyes. From between the trees, a figure appears, powerful, silent. Rajah the tiger, majestic and calm. Arjun runs to him, fearless and full of trust. That night, under the dim hut roof, grandmother tells tales of jungle spirits and ancient protectors. Arjun listens, wide-eyed, as shadows dance across the walls. Then a growl, low, menacing. The jungle stirs. Arjun turns, fear gripping his heart. Rajah will protect us, child, she whispers. Glowing eyes emerge in the darkness. A creature wild, unknown. Rajah growls back, stepping between them and the danger. The jungle roars to life. Fangs flash, claws strike. A fierce battle unfolds under the black canopy of night. At dawn, silence. Light spills gently over the hut. Arjun runs out, eyes searching. Rajah stands battered but proud. The boy clings to his protector, tears and relief mingle.